For a start, together we will make a brief summary of financial mathematics. First of all, what is it? It is a part of mathematics which studies the interests, the annuities and the loans, which we will see later. I therefore invite you to subscribe and activate the notification bell to get in touch with available videos and the next ones to come. In a market, who goes out to lose? Of course, no one. So it is important to have a notion of what you earn before the commitment. I'm talking about famous interests. But what is an interest? To put it simply, in the financial market, an interest is the price paid by the borrower on the use of a capital during a given time. Financial mathematics brings together two types of interest, simple and compound interest. Simple interest, let's keep it simple, let the formulas A, B, C, D and D be as a sequence. A, I equals C times T times N divided by 100, B, I equals C times T times N divided by 1200, C, I equals C times T times N divided by 36 thousandths, D, I equals C times T times N divided by 400, E, I equals C times T times N divided by 200. For I, interest, C, capital, T, interest rate, N, period in which the capital is placed at the interest rate. Used formula A when N is in years, B when N is in months, C when N is in days. Note that here a year is considered to have 360 days, D when N is in quarters, and E when N is in semester. Application: given a capital of $200,000 placed at simple interest at the rate of 8.5% per year. Of what value would be the interest to obtain in 1. 5 years? 2. 10 months? 3. If the investment takes place on February 12 and the maturity on May 24 of the same year, what value would be the interest? Solution 1. It is the application of formula A, then, the interest would be $85,000. Solution 2. It is the application of formula B, thus, the interest would be $14,166.67. Solution 3. Know that maturity date equals date on which a capital placed at a given interest must be released. Here we will count from February 12 to May 24 as follows. Note, when we make or count, we can either choose not to count the day that the placement took place and therefore, the day of maturity is taken into consideration. N equals 16 days plus 31 days plus 30 days plus 24 days. Or you can choose to take into account the day of placement and therefore the day of maturity is not taken into account. N equals 17 days plus 31 days plus 30 days plus 23 days. In both cases, we clearly see that UN equals 101 days. How to proceed is up to you. By applying formula C, with N equals 101 days, we have our interest, which is $4,769.44. Easy, right? Earned value. We note VA, the acquired value, defined as the sum of the capital plus the interest produced by this capital at a given rate. VA equals C plus I equals C plus C times T times N divided by 100. If the period, N, is in years, of course. Returning to solution 3, the earned value will be $200,000 plus $4,769.44, which gives us $204,769.44. Don't forget to subscribe and we thank you for giving a like. That was all for this first part. See you soon on the next video titled Discount and Equivalence in Simple Interest.